A small home can still feel warm, peaceful, and comfortable. Through smart planning and a modern Japandi interior with Scandinavian touch, this space uses the right layout, materials, and furniture choices to feel open, cozy, and practical. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas, you get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Starting with the bed area. The sleeping zone uses simple details to create comfort. Then, the dining area. The dining space becomes a natural gathering spot. Next, the kitchen area. The layout maximizes every corner for daily use. This modern Japandi interior with Scandinavian touch proves that a compact home can still feel warm, comfortable, and well-planned. With smart choices, your space can look beautiful and work better for daily living. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.